Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a tasks and dates in order to create the timeline. First, let's see what are these different sections here. This is the task sections. This is the graphic view of the tasks, and the above one is the timeline. Let's create the tasks first. Let's say we have a project called project 1, and under the project we have different stages. Let's define them as a phase 1, phase, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, and phase 5. These all 5 phases comes under the project 1. Let's say you have a project, the duration is 4 weeks. On the phase 1 duration, we can say 1 week. On the phase 2 duration, 1 week. And third one also 1 week. And fourth one is 4 days. And fifth one is just 1 day. So in order to get all these dates automatically, you can select some option called split task. So the link started task. We got all the tasks here, and in the timeline, if you go, you see in the graphic view, we have the 5. Here we can also the adjust the dates here. You just double click on it. You can adjust here by, for instance, if you want to start your project by 25th, let's say 25th. See, automatically they are adjusting themselves. In a similar way, you can change any of your tasks, or if you want, you can even extend the duration of your task. So that's all about today. Thank you very much for watching this video.